Hello everyone, I'm Tiara Devi, and this occasion I will present the Vikers hardness test that I conducted on the Honda Beat Piston and the Supra boring component. The test aims to determine the material hardness using a geometrization method. And indentation. The Vikers test uses a diamond. It intercepts as a square-based pyramid with a 136-degree angle between opposite faces. This identer is present into the material's surface using a specific test force. The load is maintained for 10 to 15 seconds to ensure a stable indentation. Next, measurement. The two indentation diagonals D1 and D2 are measured and then averaged to obtain D. The indentation R is calculated from this value, and the Vikers hardness is obtained by dividing the test force by the indentation area. Next, measurement. The two indentation diagonals D1 and D2 are measured and then averaged to obtain D. The indentation R is calculated from this value, and the Vikers hardness is obtained by dividing the test force by the indentation area. Apart diagonal, the sloping surface arc of the indentation is calculated from the average diagonal. Once this area is known, we can calculate the Vikers hardness value. Calculation. The sloping surface area of indentation is calculated from the average diagonal, and the Vikers hardness is obtained by dividing the average load by the indentation area. HV 1.8544 F per D2, where F is the average for its KGF and D is the mean diagonal in millimeters. The hardness value is usually reported with units such as 120 HV or 800 HV. And this is the link to calculate. And next to option accurate diagonal measurement, I use image software at 40 and 100 magnification and image. One scale division equals 0.01, which helps ensure precise readings. And use image 40 and use image 100. And next, Honda Beat piston results A and B. The image show the indentation result on the Honda Beat piston in pictures, and A and B we can clearly observe the indentation shapes from which the diagonal were measured to calculate. Next, additional beat piston result C. Picture C shows another indentation result on the Honda Beat piston. Its indentation provides additional data for more accurate hardness evaluation. And this is the result that will be calculated. Next, the slide displays the measuring process on the beat piston using 40 magnification. The straight line tool in image is used to measure the 1 and the 2 precisely, and force 0.8 and main diagonal length 0.152. And this Vikers hardness number calculator and this calculator academy. Next, Vikers hardness number calculator force 0.8 main diagonal length D or mm 0.116. Next, force 0.8 indentation 0.116 and results. Next, Supra boring result. The slide shows the Vikers indentation on the Supra boring material. The indentation shape is clearly visible, which helps in accurate diagonal measurement. And next, using 100 magnification on the Supra boring samples allows use to measure upon the sample's indentation more accurate. Next, how to calculate Viker hardness. The slide shows the first example of calculating. We input the head load, measure the average diagonal, and use the formula H. 1.8 544 times F divided by D2. And this second example, the same process is used with different diagonal values. This shows how change in indentation size affect the hardness value. And this third calculation example allows used to compare multiple indentation results. Once all happy values are obtained, the average hardness for each material can be determined. Thank you and see you next video.